not sure if this is even going to work, but if it does, might as well record to show how it's going. So my car won't start. I got a 20 volt DeWalt battery out of my drill, just about halfway charged. So these batteries, the left terminal all the way on the left is the positive, the one all the way on the right is negative. These are 14 gauge 2-wire Romex cables that I just cut out of a thing. They're too big to fit in the slot, so I'm going to try beating them with a hammer. We'll see how that goes. I did beat them up, and now it will fit. Let's see if this thing actually works. So the car won't start. Stop. Close the door. All right, try it.